In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview fees before buying crypto on Coinbase. If you've ever wondered exactly what you'll be charged before you commit to a purchase, this walkthrough will make it crystal clear. Start by opening the Coinbase app on your phone or heading to the Coinbase website on your computer. From the home screen, go to Buy and Sell, then choose the cryptocurrency you're interested in purchasing. This can be any supported asset, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others. What matters is that you're starting from the buy flow so you can see the fee details before you decide. Next, enter the amount of your local currency you want to spend, like USD. Typing the amount in fiat is helpful because Coinbase will instantly calculate how much crypto that will get you after fees and spreads. If you're keeping to a budget, this is the best way to stay in control. Now tap Preview Buy on mobile or Preview on the web. This is the key step. The preview screen is where Coinbase lays out the costs so you can make an informed decision without completing the purchase yet. Right around here, if you need the app or want to use the website, you'll find the download link and the official site link at the very top of the description for easy access. On the preview screen, review 3 things carefully. First, the Coinbase fee. This is a variable fee that can change based on your payment method, your region, and the size of the purchase. For example, card payments often have different fees than bank-based methods. Second, the spread. This is a small markup built into the exchange rate you're quoted, and it's how the platform accounts for market volatility and conversion. It won't appear as a separate line item everywhere, but it's reflected in the price you see. Third, the total cost. This is the final amount that will be charged to your selected payment method, including fees and the quoted rate. So you know your out-the-door number before you buy. If everything looks good and the fees make sense for you, select Buy Now to complete the purchase. If you'd rather not proceed, simply navigate back to Cancel. No transaction will go through unless you confirm. Taking a moment to preview each time helps you compare costs, time your buy, and avoid surprises. That's it. You've learned how to preview fees before buying crypto on Coinbase. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the links in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.